Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the repair of the Dyson HS01, we need to gather our tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure to work in a well-lit area to easily see small components. First, disconnect the vacuum from the power source. Safety is paramount. Begin by removing the screws on the main body using the Phillips screwdriver. There are typically 4 screws located near the top and bottom of the device. Keep track of these screws as they are crucial for reassembly. Next, carefully pull apart the main body. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry open any clips that are holding the two halves together. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any plastic clips. Once the body is open, you'll see the internal components. Identify the motor and the battery. It's a good idea to clean these parts using a soft cloth to remove dust and debris. This not only helps with the vacuum's performance but also prolongs the life of the components. If you notice any damaged wires or parts, this could be the source of the malfunction. At this point, if you're unsure about what to do, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our trained technicians can assess the problem and provide you with a detailed report. After cleaning, inspect the motor. If it seems to be functioning poorly, you can remove it by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. Be gentle during this process to avoid damaging the motor housing. If you don't have the tools or confidence to perform this repair, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you. With the motor removed, check the filters. They often get clogged and can significantly affect performance. Remove the filters and wash them under running water. Allow them to dry completely before reinstalling. Now, let's reassemble the vacuum. Start by placing the motor back into its housing and securing it with the screws. Ensure everything is snug but not overly tight, as this can cause damage. If you need assistance, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Once the motor is secured, align the two halves of the vacuum body and press them together. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, securing the body tightly. Ensure that all clips are properly engaged. Finally, check the vacuum for any loose parts. Turn it on to ensure it operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a professional evaluation. We aim to provide no calls, no travel, just straightforward service to get your Dyson HS01 back in action. This repair process not only saves you money but also gives you a sense of accomplishment. However, if at any point you feel overwhelmed, remember we're here to help with our comprehensive repair services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.